Hello viewers and all my dear students. I am Mithunas Nair representing St. Anthony's ICC School, Ellenahalli, Bangalore. We the teachers of St. Anthony's ICC School are trying to reach you students through our video classes almost every day regarding different topics. I hope you all are enjoying our videos. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe so that you get our latest updates. So the first concept which I'm going to look in this chapter is roots and shoots. Roots and shoots. Now we all are familiar that a plant grows from a seed. Yes. So a seed grows into two different parts. First part towards the upper side of the seed and the second part towards the lower side of the seed. The upper side of the seed grows above the ground and the lower side of the seed grows within the ground or inside the ground. Yes. So the upper side of the seed which grows above the ground is called as shoots. The word shoots or shoot, singular shoot. And the lower part of the plant which grows from a seed is called as root or roots. Alright, let's take a detailed look into roots and shoots. So like I said, if you look at the image, the upper part which you can see from the ground, alright, that upper portion which you can find or which you can see in the image is called as shoot. And the lower side is called as root. Now when we talk about root, there are two kinds. Number one, taproot, and the second type is called as fibrous. First one, taproot. Second one, fibrous root. Now what is a taproot? Just look at the image. A taproot is a root which has got a long and sturdy root in which smaller roots are grown from it. Just like the image, or just I can show here. So there is a main root which go under the ground, and to this main root there are few roots that grows from it. So such roots are called as taproot. Now talk about fibrous root. The second one, fibrous root, as you can see, they are made up of a large number of equal sized roots. Alright, just like this. So from the ground they have got large number of equal sized roots. So something looks like this. So this is how a fibrous root looks like. Taproot has a long and sturdy root to which small roots are grown. Fibrous root, they are large equal sized root that grows into the ground. I hope you all understood what is meant by root as well as shoot. What is a stem? The main support of a plant from above the ground is called a stem, which are already familiar with. And the top of a stem contains the shoot. A stem supports the entire part of the plant that is above the ground. Alright, so that is the main use of a stem. So the stem will support the plant from above the ground. The leaves, buds, all these things are found on the stem, which you can just see when you look into a plant. You are well known that the roots absorb water and minerals from the ground for the growth of a plant. Now, how is this water or salt or minerals, all these things are transported to each part of the plant? Now, that's a question. So, the answer is very simple. The stem carries all these required minerals, water, or even salts towards each part of the plant. So that's one main use of stem. And you should know that each plant contains different type of stems. Some stems will be thick and very strong, just like you can see in trees. Example, neem, mango, all these trees. Yes, the main part that holds the entire tree is called as stem. You know that. And this is very thick and large when it comes to trees. Some stems are thick, but they are very soft. For example, the banana stem. All right, if you just have noticed that, if you just go and touch it, even though they look thick, they are very soft and they can be cut down easily. And there are a few stems which are weak and they climb with the help of a support from bigger plants or trees, etc. Just like imagine a grape plant. All right, a grape plant needs a support to grow upwards. Until and unless a support is provided, a grape plant will not grow. So these are the different types of stems that are found in plants.